We are back with a brand new product. This time we are checking out the Amaran 6x light. Now this is 660x light. This is something I saw online and I was in need for a new lighting setup and I wanted to check out how this is going to do. So let's open this up, see what's inside, and then we'll check it out a little bit. So it's got a little sleeve here. Now, the case is styrofoam, just so you're aware. There's also two little clips here on the top. Has a hinge. It's kind of nice. And the handle here has a little piece of plastic here to keep it safe. Let's tear that. We don't need that anymore. So, right off the bat, this comes with some accessories. This is a battery cradle. This looks to be the power supply, power cord for the battery supply. This appears to be a mount for the unit. This allows you to angle the light a little better to fill the space. We got a manual here, some silica, fabric diffusion. That's really cool that it comes with fabric diffusion. And this is the actual light. That's really cool. So on here, you've got your power input, your on, your off. This is a clip. I believe you can actually clip this in place. And that way you can have the batteries on the side of the unit and then plugged in, which is really cool. And then there's a little push button here that allows it to come off. A little clip in there. This, imagine, is one of your dialer adjusters. You have your mount right here. So if you don't have a mount on your pole, this is an adapter that will allow you to place this on the pole and then tighten this on it, which is really cool. Past that point, this is your Bluetooth reset because you can connect it to your phone. And then to take this off, it would appear you just... Okay, that's cool. A little clip to hold that in place. And the reason why you need that clip is that you can put this in, and then that will be clipped here. It won't come out until you push down. And then you'll be able to turn that and place that back in. So always keep that safe so that you're not damaging it. It's got a pretty powerful fan in here to keep the LEDs cool. Keep in mind, LEDs do go a little bit green, but they've gotten a lot better over the years. But yeah, so this doesn't come with any of the batteries. So if you're looking to charge this thing up, use this on the go, you will need to pick up some batteries to go with it. It does work with Bowen's mount light accessories. And we'll check out also the Bluetooth app so you can kind of see how that looks too. But pretty straightforward. You gotta love a light you can plug into power. It makes you have a lot of options. And then the battery packs allows you specifically to also get a lot of use out of like on-site location filming, which is really cool. But we're gonna go check this out and see what this looks like when set up live, and we'll be right back. Now, when you're all done with the unit, it's really easy just to place the thing right back in this box. You've got specific places for everything. You can put the cord up once you throw it back up, and then just close this, and then lock those tabs there, and then this is good on the go. So you can take this wherever you need to go. It'll keep the light safe, which is really important so that we don't have to worry about damaging it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.